Yeah, you can ignore me. When I shot my shot at you and in like Robert Horry. I shoot for the head, not the legs. I'm not Tory. No, it's been a while, but I'm still killing like I'm Voorhees.
Okay, then I'ma kill like Freddy then. Niggas sleeping on me, lights out, Thomas Edison. That's proper etiquette. Got my knife up in my right hand. Heard they think I'm pussy cause I'm light skinned.
Nigga, you ain't even light skinned.
You right, man, I'm getting money like a white man. My eyes wide like I'm sightseeing. Turned up like a hype man. Get it poppin' like a Sprite can. Thought I told you so. Young nigga be with your ex like a loja though. My life is a roller coaster. Run up on me, I'ma hit you what I know you know.
Dab like a ropey dope. They show the crib, she get an okey doke. Everything I say Edgar Allan bro. I'ma jump in the hole like Geronimo. Think I might leave like tomorrow, bro. You can have it bad with your motto, bro. Or I know look past to my older bro. AOTC, show 'em how it go.
Put it, if I got it on, I bought it. Update a bitch and stole it. She want my password, but that is a hazard.
She wanted the last word.
I was always good with the nouns and the adverbs, but she getting on my last nerves. I might have to cut her off, no daddy, she a
bastard. No slave, I'm her master. I own all my masters, might go for my masters. The death of a bachelor. Panic at the disco, shall we go after? I ball like the Raptors in 99. I told tu madre I'm doing fine. When she see me, she gon' press rewind. I did that shit without the line.
Tequila, it wound you up like chinchilla. I might go cop me a villa. She got the doctor to fill her. That's none of my beeswax, never shit where you sleep at. They call me the GOAT, the title I keep that. I might just bet with your mom. Wanted McFly, cause I'm so ahead of my time. Back to the future for prom. I gotta hurry and get these ideas on my mind before I go insane. I'm scoring like James, hard in the Bron, but I passed the ball cause I got her. I feel like Ali no Baba, death before dishonor. Rule number 1, never ever talk to your honor. Rule number 2, if you gon' do what you do, keep it between you and your partner.
It's rule number 5, keep it deuce in the ride. Wait, it's rule number 4, should've told me before. That's your hand here for. I could've taught you more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. For you, nigga, I'm done waiting. If I'm the GOAT and you're the moat, just feed all the shit a roll. No, we can't go toe to toe. Caught the tiger by the toe. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. That's just how I pick a blow. Damn, it's time to go.
Call me the weatherman, make it snow.
Stupid.
The bitch and stole it. She want my password, but that is a hazard.